Step 1. Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. Step 2. Ensure wall jams sit flat on wall. Mark drilling points with a positioning tool. Drill a 6mm hole. Insert a wall anchor and fasten the aluminum profile with wall-mounted track and cap. Step 3. Measure and cut the top track to ensure it fits the size of your bathroom. Step 4. Install the top roller with spring mechanism, double wheel, onto the top track. Then, place the top track inside the wall brackets on both sides and secure it. Step 5. Fix the waterproof buffer seal strip on the glass panel. Cut off surplus material, mount the panel vertically on the track. Check vertical measurements and straight alignment. Fix it with screws and install the fixing piece at the bottom. Step 6. Install the bottom water seal strip and drill holes to insert screws. Step 7. Placing the top pulley on the top track. Then align the glass panel with the pulley and secure it with screws. Step 8. Fix the waterproof buffer seal strip on the glass panel. Cut off surplus material. Step 9. Install the stainless steel handle securely. Step 10. Apply silicone sealant and allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before using the shower.